with your loving hand. You take me back where you belong in my heart. For same time, never be a blood, but yeah, you're mine. I'll still remain. I will never change. I will always love.
This is, ba to?
I will always
Honey
keep you now.
peel. It's
I
a
know this would
once a
bless
week
you
cleansing na
because
deep cleanse kasi merong hindi natatanggal ng
you have
simpleng wash lang.
you are
Tapos may pimple ako ngayon na to.
one more time. Don't you remember me on the day
Hmm.
of life? You're good.
Damay na natin to.
But
Nabibin.
Halo darkness,
Ganyan.
my old friend.
Yun yung mga gunk. Oh, gosh.
I come to talk with you again because a vision swiftly creeping
That's Papa.
Sleeping wala makilgan.
left the seats while I was sleeping,
Ay, nako. Ulit na na.
and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains when the sound of silence and restless dreamer walk along.
Ay, meron pala akong ano. Ito try na face mask. This one. Maya. Linisin mo na natin. Paubos na. Nabili ko to sa Lazada. Maganda siya. Ayun na. Ayun siya. Parts.
Like a shoe. Thousand people meeting.
Ito yung gamit kong cleanser. So sa gabi, di na ako nag-wash ng face kasi I do naman regularly go to derma. Kahit di ko yung mag-derma, pwede naman ganito na lang kasi masakit. Right now, ito yung aking regimen or ritual. Cleanser lang sa gabi, tapos moisturizer. Okay, step by step. Itong honey peel once a week. So I do it last day ng off ko para fresh ako. First day ng aking duty. Yan. So, tipid ako. Ganito lang. Mukha ko, buong mukha na yan. Kasi di tayo anak ng contractor. Pero anak tayo ng Lord. Happy Good Friday.
Take my
Kita niyo ba yung ano ko? Zit. Tapos pag pipunasan yung mukha niyo, guys, be gentle naman. Mukha niyo to. Don't drag. Ganito lang. Makukuha niyo na yan. Alam niyo nang gagawin. The gentler, the better. Kasi mukha to. Dapat gentle kayo.
I can do you a darkest way. I needed someone who would care. You hurt me
Ganito
too,
kadumi yung mukha
you hard.
ko. Oh my God. Gilamos ako kanina.
I live for one right one this time.
Ganyan kaganda tong honey PR.
Then one day to
Kasi deep cleanse talaga siya. Yung hindi natatanggal ng daily skin cleanse. Daily skin cleanse.
now all the fears slip for me. It's just a precious memory. That's life. That's life. It hit me so, it hit me so. That's life. That's life. You have to be young to know.
Nice.
And life scrambles and she's done. Someone must carry on. It felt like I describe.
Ganda niya. This is from B&. Company. It's called Beyond Skin Honey Peel. 50 grams na to. Once a week. Sabi, this will last you up to 1 year. But this cost 5,000 or 5,000. So, 5,000 divided by 365. About the price of beauty. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, moisturizer. Ito, sobrang mura lang nito sa Black App. Simula ko nito March 6, 2026. And pag ilang bottle ko na ba ito? Pangatlo ata. Oo, pangatlong bottle ko. And look niyo yung skin ko. Wala pang moisturizer. Nilalagyan ko ang face ko nito Mondays, every day, twice a day. Ganun lang. Diba? Kasi kalat yan, no?
Be the thing to make you cry. I know not back again. This time, more.
Lagyan niya din yung leg, no? Kasi para pante.
Hello darkness, all but when I'm coming to walk with you again. Because of visions you take refrain. Still remain. Don't move. Up again. That's your mind. So much again. Forget to hold to me. It's enough. That's it. Let it know you so behind.
I'm gonna try this for the first time. This is by Ever Bilena Cosmetics Incorporated. This is from Ever Organics Sika Skin Repair. Soothe skin with Ever Organics Sika Skin Repair Serum Sheet Mask, formulated with Centella asiatica extract, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. This mask helps strengthen ang skin barrier and lighten dark spots with continuous use. Hindi ko alam anong order, pero lagyan ko muna ng ayan kasi magkagwardya pa ako. Oh my God. Drag lang.
Kahapon lang tayo magkasama. Subalit iniwan mo na mag-isa. Ako ngayon nalulumbay. Na parang ayaw ko nang mabuhay. Tanging nakaraan na lang. Ang siya'y sisilbing alala.
Tapos yung juice, hindi ko tinatapos. Lagay ko siya sa notes. Nakapun lang siya.